Miss Everything, ang susunod sa barangay. Ang bakay.
Aloha!
So Miss Everything, why is it there's no social distancing out there? Your family out there.
Why there's no social distancing? Because we believe that here in our family is not
Sustainable.
Sustainable. We are very, very sustaining. Yes,
Oh, Miss
because
Everything.
we are very, very not
Use your mouth.
from here
It's so
because
dirty. Yes,
you need
wash
to
your
wash.
mouth. Miss Everything, wash your
Sorry,
mouth.
guys. You need to wash your
Oh my
mouth.
God, Miss Everything, wash your mouth.
Sorry.
What's up everyone, it's me again, Noel Baluca Vlogs, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video is we're going to collaborate with Miss Everything Vlogs. Yes! So for today's video is we were going to Q&A with Miss Everything. So let's try na tatawagan si Miss Everything.
A few moments later.
Aloha, Miss Everything. Aloha. Aloha. Miss Everything, ang susunod sa barangay, Kambakay.
Aloha!
Yes.
Let's eat together.
Huwag na Miss Everything, no thanks, busog pa ako. Miss Everything, why is it eat?
Eat because my eat is my family.
Because your eat is because
My family.
your eat is my family. Hi Everything, why is it you're not been before? Miss Everything. Hi Miss Everything. Miss Everything. Miss Everything. Yes, Miss Everything. Why is it you are not
Hi everything.
been before?
Sorry so much for what I've never been before.
Yes, Miss Everything. So you are not been before. So what are we gonna do?
If I have never been before, press 1,
So press
okay?
1. Okay, press 1. So guys, marunong pala si Miss Everything ng Japanese language kung paano mag-hi ang mga Japanese. So Miss Everything, show it.
Sawadee ka!
Sawadee ka?
Oh,
Hindi,
Ano?
mali Everything.
Japan?
Hindi. Hindi pala. Hindi.
Konnichiwa,
Okay, konnichiwa senpatsot. So that, basta alam niya na yung language ng hi at hello ng Japan. So, Miss Everything, do you know what the hi, hello language in Texas? Show it now.
Hapaday! 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 Hapaday!
Miss Everything, why is it your signal is so blurred?
Sorry so much guys because the signal
your-
is not very
your
well
signal
and
is
my
not
load
well
is
and
not
your load
yet
is
na.
Not well. So, tatanungin natin kung ano yung kinakain ni Miss Everything. So, Miss Everything, what is your food that you eating? What's that, Miss Everything? May I know what is that, Miss Everything?
Ito lang po, spaghetti lang po yung ulam ko.
That's delicious, yo. That's delicious, Miss Everything. So, tatanungin natin si Miss Everything kung ilang beses siya kumain sa isang araw. How many times you eat your foods in one day? I think 5 times.
Well, actually, we eat 3 times
Okay, you
a
eat-
day and
3 times a day.
Don't
Okay.
ruin
So,
your body by
if
immune
the
system.
immune
and
system is
the
low,
immune system is about
we will go into so we will
yes,
attack
the virus is a very
okay.
cooperative
If
with
the
our
the low is
immune
the immune
system.
system,
If the low is the
is,
immune
the
system,
immune
you
system
are
is
not
low.
very well. Okay?
Okay.
You have to eat very well and take a medicinable and very medicine by saying, "Oh my God."
Kakain na tayo ng 3 times a day para and take more medicinable to get our body well. Hey, Miss Everything. Miss Everything. Miss Everything. Miss Everything. Miss Everything, where are you going? Miss Everything. Miss Everything. Miss Everything. Miss Everything, where are you going, Miss Everything? Miss Everything, where are you going? Mukha na siya. Kukuha pala siya ng pagkain. So this is it. Let's question Miss Everything. Miss Everything, I have a question for you. This is wonderful question. Do you believe that movement is like kung fighting?
Hi, everything. I would like to say to you guys that every functional movement in the world is like kung fu fighting.
yes.
We are fighting Filipinos.
Yes, we are Filipino. Yes, we are basta Filipino.
We are fighting
kaayo.
Filipinos.
Yes, Pinoy. Pinoy. Fighting kayong Pinoy. Diba? Fighting kayong Pinoy, diba? So, Miss Everything. So, ano ang mapapayo mo sa panahon natin ngayon? Just like may coronavirus, dapat tayo ay maging malinis. At ano ang iyong mapapayo bago tayo kumain? Miss Everything.
Yes, I am
Yes,
washing.
before we
Before you eat, the washing the hands.
Hands must wash. Washing the hands. Okay, Miss Everything. So, Miss Everything,
Wait,
where are
I
you
am
going?
a water.
Okay,
Okay.
you are water. Okay, you will get a water. Oh, you will get a water.
Hi, everything.
Oh, hi, Everything.
Well, I would
Okay,
like
what
to
do
say
you
to
guys
you
say?
guys that
Yes. Oh, kaya mo na, kaya. Kaya naman na, kaya.
gracias, umigas. Umigas, harumigas.
Gracias, amigos, amigas. Gracias, amigos, amigas.
Hi, everything. Thank you so much for not giving us the stay at home.
Kayo nasa labas.
We're stay at home here at the Bakod in the backyard. Yes, because we do not outside
Yes.
because the
Yes.
police is the outside. Yes.
I think your ocean there is open
No,
and free to and we can swim. Yes.
the ocean is
Oh, the ocean is closed.
Yes, the
and
ocean is closed.
No swim.
Never
Yes.
swim. And here also, here in our in the ocean is not possibility of because we have here alugan, you know,
A Logan is a low and gun.
a whale, a wishing well.
A whale. Wishing well. Miss Everything, do you believe that before we talk a story, we should wash our mouth?
Yes, wash your mouth before you talk story. Not yet.
Miss Everything, what is giving up self?
Yes. Thank you so much for not giving up by itself. It's a functional self.
Okay, giving up is
A few moments later.
Miss Everything. Miss Everything, do you believe that every problem has its solution.
I believe that every problem in the universe. Is we have to pursue with God well. Yes, always pray and say something
Amen.
to deliverance.
We
Our
must pray. Deliverance.
prayer to the God and
prayers.
devotional.
Prayers, yes.
Because I believe that every problem or something we face today as the God is the very well to us. Yes. I would like to say to you guys that this is only for fun, not for the
Yes.
not a news,
It's
not
for good
a
news.
good news, but it's my own possibility
possibility
to
to
do the right thing in the world that we face today. Thank you so much, Everything. I never been before. That's why we believe that every
Yes,
food is a
everything.
food sentiment. Thank you.
The best answer ever. So, Miss Everything, why is it there is no social distancing out there?
Why there's no social distancing? Because we believe that here in our family is not
Sustainable.
sustaining. We are very, very sustaining. Yes, we are very, very not from here because
Yes,
you need
wash
to
your
what?
mouth. Miss Everything, wash your
Sorry guys. You need to wash your mouth.
Miss Everything, wash your mouth.
Sorry.
So, Miss Everything,
Okay.
have you already take a bath?
Actually, hindi pa po ako naliligo, but I try my best to because it's a challenge to me that I am going to take a bath because self is what we call that, myself is not good for take a bath in one day because before after 5 days, yeah,
5 days before you take a bath.
because I have an allergic at
Why?
water.
I heard a chismis na you are good in dancing. Yes, you are good in dancing. My family
Yes.
and me want to see you
Yes.
dancing. Newest release single sa Blackpink. How you like that? But
Wait me there,
dili ang
okay?
Blackpink mo kanta. So, Miss Everything. So I heard a chismis that you are good in dancing. Yes, you are good in dancing. So my family and me want to see you dancing. Newest release single sa Blackpink. How you like that? But dili ang Blackpink mo kanta.
Nation, wait me there, okay?
So let's call Miss Pandemic Girl.
How you
How you like that? Can we request? Okay. Okay. Miss Everything,
Aloha!
paminawa ay pakinggan mo si Pandemic Girl. Kakanta siya na How You Like That at sasayawin mo. Okay?
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Miss Pandemic, sing!
is it? How you like that? You can like that. How you like that? Barambi baram. How you like that? Now look at you, look at me, look at you, look at me, look at you, look at me, look at you. Now look at you, look now you love me. Look at you, now you look at me, look at you, now you look at me. How you like that? Nagi aring charo na. Ayon na nasakigasi eteyo na. Ayo tanayan kawana hasiyo. Look at up and the sky. It's a bird, it's a plane, yeah. Bring out your balls, yeah. Blackpink dum 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 duru duru. How you like that? Dum dum duru dum dum duru duru. You gon' like that? Dum duru duru dum dum duru. How you like that? Dum duru duru dum duru duru. How you like that?